So I know it is long overdue. I'm here for my 4 month, it was supposed to be 3 month, but life happened. My 4 month Veneers update. So there's actually a lot to update y'all on. So let me get straight to it. Boom, 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 boom. You see them pictures right there? Two of my veneers popped off. I was eating crab. So we're gonna have to talk to the doctor and see what's up because I see Cardi B in her crab legs. 4 of my veneers have came off. Yeah. So in this update, I'm gonna basically tell y'all about the nightmare and a few things that I learned that I really didn't find in my research or in the vlogs, that I think is actually really important. The first thing is specifically to where I got it done, Dr. PEREZ FELIZ in New York. You can see my experience down below. I'll put the link in general, but I've changed my opinion since then. So quick overview, it was $5,000 for top and bottom, $800 for gum contouring. When I went there, I had felt like it was, you know, a little bit like sus, but everything went smoothly and fine. But literally a week after, one tooth came out. Then another week after, another tooth came out. I went to go get it fixed free of charge. And one thing that I didn't know was that when I was doing my veneers, you're not supposed to lick or do any of that because liquid can actually affect the bonding of the veneers. And I knew that I had done that a little bit. And he had warned me, but when I went deeper into my research, I realized that I just hate having the dry mouth with my mouth open for mad long. So if you are, regardless of where you're going, make sure to not do that. Just stick with your dry mouth for a bit. Do not do that. So in my head, I'm thinking, okay, maybe that is part of the issue. When I went, he was like, oh, you must be grinding your teeth. At first, in my head, I was like, that's bullshit. Like, I've never had issues with grinding my teeth. But in reflection, I do actually suffer from anxiety. And when I like get anxious, I do grind my teeth. But it's not like there's an actual word. I'm probably going to butcher it. Bruxism, whatever. And I've been to the dentist mad times. Like, no one has ever told me I had that. So I grind my teeth, but not to the degree that something that's supposed to last me like 5 to 10 years lasts me a week. So I was like, that's bullshit. But in reality, if you do grind your teeth for whatever reason though, consider what's it called, like Emax or something like that. Veneers, they're stronger. Like, I know I'm definitely gonna switch these out in the future for porcelain, but I would do like Emax porcelain because of that. So you would have to wear a mouth guard at night to stop you from grinding. Yeah. And yeah, you'll drool and it'll be a little bit uncomfortable. But yeah, so I got me a mouth guard. I wore it once in a blue moon, I'll be honest with you, but I just made sure I didn't eat nothing like crazy. Just because I realized that composite veneers are actually indeed more sensitive than people sort of let out. But he also OD'd like 1 week, 2 weeks, that's done. So literally, I think I was actually ironically getting ready to do the second video, the 3-month update, and then God intervened because he didn't want me to lead y'all astray like I did the first time. And another tooth came out. And I'm like, nah, chill. This is a you thing. Because it's 4 months, 4 teeth. This is a you thing. I'm pissed. I'm going over there and I'm ready to turn the fuck up. Because I'm going to LA this weekend. And y'all telling me that y'all don't got no appointments. So I gotta go as a walk-in. However, I only have 3 days left in a week. It's a Wednesday. I got my driving class the next morning. So I can't be the first one there. Then I got my road test and then my son's doctor's appointment for the next 3 days in the morning. So I'm just gonna have to go after those things. So I go, when I tell you, I got there at like 10:30, 11. I did not get home till 4 p.m. Take out the fact that, not 4:30, take out the fact that there was traffic when I was coming back, and it took me like a damn hour and a half to get from Washington Heights to Brooklyn. So I left around like 3-ish, for something that took 10 minutes. How many hours is that? That's 4.5 hours. Craziness. And the thing was, I know that I walked in as a walk-in, but let me tell you about my experience, period, and everyone's experience. Everybody was in there late. Like, everyone had the same appointment. Like, on God, I just started chatting with people. So another thing was everybody had a 10 a.m. appointment, literally. Like, we were chatting and I was noticing. We were all noticing. Everyone has a 10 a.m. appointment. And there was, like, favoritism at the fucking doctor's office. Like, I've never seen that shit in my life before. I guess, I don't know, Dominican offices. Literally, they were just picking and choosing who was going to go first. Like, there was a lady who was there before me. I think she had came at 10. I said I came at, like, 10:30, 11. And she left after me. This one dude came in like, que lo que, blah, 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 and he left within an hour. So I think that's problematic and confusing, and wasting people's time. Like, a whole lady had to change her flight. She had flown. She had flew in. See, city girls fuck me up. Now I don't even know, like, what's the correct verbiage for flying anymore. But anyways, and she had to change her flight. Like, a bunch of people had to change, like, you know, like, this dude's child missed school, like, a bunch of dumb shit. And then also, given the circumstances with COVID, just reflecting, they weren't really that hygienic. Like, yeah, everyone had their mask and washing their hands, but that's, like, basic. Like, I feel like my body is on this damn table, so he be taking breaks in between. Then you gonna put somebody in while we're taking a break and not sanitize the chair. So you're just sort of trying to get people in and out, ish, because it definitely isn't an in and out thing. So when you add those two factors, and just how difficult it is to contact him, like, his contact information online isn't really accessible. Since I had the appointment and stuff, I had a different number, because a lot of people were asking me how to contact him. I'm like, that's mad problematic. So here's the truth. In my opinion, reflecting, don't rush it. I wanted my shit before my birthday, and that's why I rushed it. But I would have gone with the original people that I was gonna go with and did my research with, Dental Design Smile. But after COVID, I had my appointment time, and then COVID, everything got shut down. By the time I called again, and, like, yeah, they just didn't have appointments till next year type shit. So it was just like, no. I didn't like the experience anymore. Like, I'm glad, I mean, I was ready to turn up if not, but, like, I didn't have to pay. Yeah, I did not like the experience at all. Okay, so let's get into how to treat your teeth post veneers real quick before we get into the whole nightmare that is the fact that all my teeth was coming out. I was using a regular toothbrush and it doesn't work. And trust me, I brush my teeth very hard. Dentists are always like, oh my god, your teeth are so clean. Like, my toothbrush be, like, coming out and stuff. My boyfriend always makes fun of the way my toothbrushes look. The point is, I brush. And I still was feeling buildup. So the dentist, when I came back to fix the mess that he had created, recommended a toothbrush. And when I tell you, I've never had teeth, they just feel great. The Oral B500 electric brush. It's about $35, but it's a good investment. Yeah. And they even have a sensitive setting if you have sensitive gums, but there's going to be a buildup on your teeth and you're going to want to get an electric toothbrush, any of your choice, but that's one that he recommended to me and I'm recommending to you because I like it. So he recommended Toothpaste to me. Láser, I'll put it right there, Láser Oros. It's like a little Dominican one, or something like that. I got it from Amazon. Yeah, I'm not really, I used that originally. I'm not really sure what it was supposed to do. But then honestly, fucking with his track record, I don't know if I want to go against his advice. And who knows, maybe my shit gonna turn green if I don't use that. I've been using Colgate, regular Colgate though, since that toothpaste ran out for the past like month and a half, and it's been fine. So besides that, there isn't really much maintenance. If you like crab legs and stuff like that, like, I mean, I don't know. Then again, Cardi B, she be eating crab legs on live, but she also has bread. So who knows? It was probably like 20K for like 3 teeth type shit, you know? And porcelain's also stronger. So I would just recommend getting, you know, the little thingies that you could crack with, and just being more careful and mindful with what you eat. Things get stuck in my teeth. Then again, I have mad gaps, so that's probably why I'm not used to it. But please floss. It's imperative because stuff gets stuck in your teeth. Use an electric toothbrush for no buildup. And then also, if you grind your teeth, wear a mouth guard at night to like make your veneers last longer. And during the actual procedure, make sure to keep your mouth dry. Your dentist is not like playing when he says that, or he or she says that. So that's my update. That is a little bit of the nightmare that I've been going through, and it sucks because I don't trust this man, and I know more teeth finna fall out because it's only been 4 months, 4 teeth. Like, so I just got new mouth guards. I got them at Target or Amazon, some shit like that. Just ones that say no grinding, and I'm gonna be diligent about it, and I'm gonna put it on at night. But yeah. That is the update. I am annoyed, but I have updated the previous video saying don't book him. And yeah, because regardless, it's unacceptable whether I grind my teeth or not. I know I don't have bruxism, whatever it's pronounced. I know I don't have that. Therefore, my grinding is really minimal to average, really. So for something that's supposed to last 5-10 years, that's just super unacceptable. Also given like the unprofessionalism, like the first time that I actually got the teeth fixed, actually I forgot to mention the fact that he's supposed to come to the office at 9:30, 10. Like they open at 9:30, but like I think he comes in at 10. And this man didn't show up till like 12. I had to go and come back because there were people in front of me. Like I actually had an appointment that day. And like there were people there for 9:30, 10, 10:30, blah, blah. And I had an 11. Or I don't know actually. But there were people in front of me is the point. Because, you know, he always give out that 10 a.m. thing. And I had to go because I had stuff to do. So it's just like super unprofessional. Like, no. So do not book him. Fuck him. Like, no. I'm just like, but I hope that this was helpful in terms of at least maintaining your teeth, because I didn't know about those little things that build up and whatnot. And also, just a little plug or whatever. If you see my earrings, they say It Girls, and you see the background, it says Clubhouse and stuff. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, like I do makeup, and I have a makeup line that I just sort of rebranded and relaunched into a whole big thing. So if you guys want to check it out, it is makeup, accessories, and now clothes. This tracksuit, the earrings, you see the eyeshadow, also then a lip gloss, but the lip gloss was mixed too. But we sell all of that. So if you want to check it out, see. That's the new tracksuits, and just stay tuned for more, and I will see you.